Are you planning to start going to gym, build your desired physique and you don't know where to start? Or if you're tired experimenting new things and not getting any results in gym? Or if you have been going to gym for a while, still feel you should strengthen your basics, then this video is just for you. Keep watching till the end. Here are 5 tips that every gym beginner must know. Tip number 1. Fitness is a lifestyle. First day at gym. You visualize your superhero dream physique in your mind. Bam! I'm gonna do this. You're starting to lift weights. Yo man, this shit is very hard. Next day, you start finding excuses to go to gym just because it's hard and painful. Make fitness a habit. Experts say that it takes 21 days to create a habit. So 21 days with no excuses. Hit the gym and make it a habit. Don't follow bro signs. The biggest mistake every beginner does is seeing the monster gym dudes at their gym and they try to imitate them. No. This is what happens. Never do ego lifting. Your first year at gym should be mostly focused on maintaining proper form for every exercise you do. If you want to learn how each exercise is done with proper form, try visiting bodybuilding.com, where you can find experts' exercise guide how to perform an exercise with perfect form and effectiveness of that particular exercise. It is very important to know targeted muscles for a particular exercise. Try gaining knowledge from reading authentic articles or YouTube videos. Don't do too many isolation exercises and excessive machine exercises because it hits only single muscle group, whereas compound lifts such as squat, bench press, shoulder press, bent over row, deadlifts, pull-ups and lunges require you to use multiple muscle groups at the same time. You will find best results for muscle growth and fat loss. To start with, select lifts that require you to use at least half of your body weight to do them. You are just a beginner into the gym. Don't start following fancy diets such as ketogenic or low carb diet. At the same time, hitting a gym does not mean you can take all the junk inside your body. The main focus should be taking balanced food which consists of carbohydrates, protein and other nutrients required for your body. Even if you're too busy to make it to the gym, eat healthy meals and you will still see the results, says a fitness expert. We will cover about supplementation and diet plan detailedly in another video. Pro tip for college students who want to maintain their nutrition and also are budget concerned at the same time. You can try using peanut butter, which is very cost effective. Each 2 tablespoon serving of peanut butter contains more than 8 grams of protein. Click the link below to see the best peanut butters in market. A simple and crucial mistake which even regular gym goers do is not carrying a water bottle with them. Our body is 2/3 of water. We sweat off 1 liter per hour of exercise. If you don't replenish with adequate water, it may result in dehydration, which can cause cramps, muscle fatigue, headache, etc. Simple fix for this is carry a water bottle along with you in the gym. One extra step, add fresh lemon or lime juice to your water. These citrus fruits are packed with electrolytes which keep you all time hydrated. If you need suggestions for gym shakers, click the link below. That's it for this video guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment down your favorite topics which you would like to see in our upcoming videos.